morning or good night, you guys. I don't know what time you guys are watching my video, but whatever time that is, thank you for coming along and watching this video with me. If you guys are intrigued and interested to see how I achieved this fabulous burgundy look, then stay tuned and continue watching this video so you guys are gonna see how shook I was doing this look. So here we go. So since I am living in Mexico City right now, there is so much noise going on right now. So just try to bear with me. You're gonna hear dogs barking, you're gonna hear cars passing by. I'm doing my best, okay guys? It's like construction going on in the apartments in front of me. Here we are, trying the Kylie Jenner Burgundy palette that I'm so excited to try. I bought this at Ulta. Okay, I like really hit this thing. I bought this at Ulta maybe like 2 months ago. I have not used it back when I was in LA. So then, you know, I moved to Mexico City. So you guys are gonna have to try this palette out with me. Mirror over here. I'm also just moved to Mexico City, so I don't really have like my whole thing set up yet, or a big mirror behind me to kind of see my makeup, see myself doing it, so I don't look like a crazy clown. So like this mirror on the side, so you guys are gonna see me looking this way a lot, but you're just gonna have to bear with me. If you guys have this palette, please let me know. I've seen so many people do most amazing things, literally, like I have not even opened it. Most amazing things with this palette. I got it for $20. I think it was like a 50% off or something, and I was like, girl has to buy it. So pretty, like, guys, this is really pretty. I really love the whole packaging. This palette, so pretty. What really caught my eye about these colors is you have that like burgundy color that you can totally make it like just pop in any look. Then you also have the neutral colors, and it's just perfect. I honestly thought it was like the perfect, you could really say like everyday palette. Okay, now there's just a random helicopter above. Okay, it's gonna get real noisy here, you guys. I'm so sorry. First off, we're gonna prep the skin. Obviously, my favorite is the Laura Mercier Foundation Primer. Just super hydrating. Girl needs all the moisture she can get, yes, ma'am. So I just kind of put it all over my face. Oh, I love this one. My skin feels so good. My hands, I put on my lips. Since I forgot my rose water in LA, I've been surviving off of this. I just sprayed on my face like all day. I don't know if it's a good idea or not, but it feels so good. I like wet my screen. So after that, we're gonna go in with our foundation. And honestly, I have been loving the Matte Poreless foundation. This is by Maybelline. So we're gonna shake. This foundation, I really like it. The thing is, I have to stick my finger in, but like from the little tap. And we're gonna just place this makeup all over, girl. Yes, we are. And we are going to use our lovely little hands to spread this foundation all over our beautiful faces. And we're done with the foundation. I'm just kidding. I'm gonna let our foundation sink in, and then I don't know if you guys do this too, but I tend to do this all the time. After I set my foundation, I always go in again with either my rose water or my MAC Fix. I just feel like it makes it less patchy. I don't know, it's like my thing that I do. I don't know if it's necessary, but I like to do it. And then after that, we're gonna go in and do our eyebrows, because you know that your face just does not look right. Your eyebrows are just not right. After that, we're gonna go in with the e.l.f. pencil. I've been really into this e.l.f. and NYX and what is this? Like really non-expensive brands. They're really good. Because the competition is so high that now all these brands have to, even if they're not expensive, they have to do just as good as the expensive ones. I've really been liking this pencil because I used to use it on Anastasia Beverly Hills. I feel like we all do, but no, I've really been liking this one. I feel like I always do my eyebrows super fast. I always see like girls like take their time and like really go in. I have not done my eyebrows. Let me just tell you guys, I have not touched my eyebrows in like 5 years, like, or even more. I would say like no pluck, no nothing. So I just feel like the messier they look, the better. I don't really care about making it too perfect. Then after that, we're gonna start in with our eyes. I think we're gonna start in with the color Beach. Beach reminds me so much of at home. Since I am from LA, I'm like such a beach girl, and I feel like that's one of the things that I really have been missing since I've been living in Mexico City. I used to be such a beach bum. LA problems. This color is so nice, you guys. I'm like shook that I'm trying this palette for the first time ever on camera. And they're super blendable. So this is Beach. This is such a beautiful color. I don't know if the camera can really see it, but I even feel like just that color alone is like such a vibe. Okay, there's a bee right outside my window. It looks really, really pretty. I think just very natural, very beachy. So then after that, I'm gonna go in with Penny. Color Penny is like that one color that I've seen so many people use. Ooh. That awkward moment when it actually is the exact same color as a penny. I'm like shook with this palette, you guys. It's really, really wow. And that's the thing that another thing that I also, okay, let me keep talking while I'm doing my makeup or else I like talk too much. That's another thing that I really liked about this palette was that I felt that the colors individually can do so much. I am like such a big person on sometimes just using one color for my eyes, something easy on the go. So I feel like if you have a palette that has that one or a couple of colors that you can just use that one color, girl, this is just using Beach and Penny. These two colors, and I'm shook of how blendable they are. I almost like don't even want to touch it and like just put eyeliner and mascara and like give it a go. But I am so excited to try the famous Burgundy palette. So here we go. Really, really like it. I don't own any Kylie Jenner products, like nothing, nada, zero. And I love Kylie Jenner, and I do feel like her products are good, and you know, she has always nice makeup, so you would expect like, okay, she has to have a brand with really good makeup. But I had never really bought anything, her lip kits, nothing. I know you guys are like shook because I feel like everybody has a lip kit, but I had never. So until the other day and 2 months ago when I went into Ulta to buy this, I think I'm a fan. I think I'm truly a fan. I'm gonna shut up now and now put Burgundy on my eyes. Go! Yes, I'm gonna, wow. Guys, I'm obsessed. Guys, I'm obsessed. Burgundy is beautiful, and I've had burgundy colors, but this one is just so beautiful. I'm not exaggerating. I'm literally shook. I didn't think they were gonna be that pretty. I mean, I've seen tutorials and stuff, but I'm kind of picky with my eyeshadow, so this is really, really nice. I just feel like going crazy with the burgundy and just like putting it even all the way under my eyelids. Wow. Are we obsessed or what? I am obsessed. Okay, let me give you a shot from back here. Look how much that pops. It's insane. Wow, Kylie did a good job, girl. So now we're gonna bring the same color burgundy under our eyes. Wow. So then sometimes I don't really like putting like super light in the corners just because I feel like it just doesn't look too natural. It's just too much. Today is one of the, do you guys hear that bell outside? Like, people, come on, I am recording. I'm gonna go in with the color LA since I am from LA. So today I am gonna use it with you guys, which is this one right here. The super like gold, glittery, great LA. Just put it inside, just tap it in the middle. Guys, I'm literally obsessed. Burgundy palette just really, I can't, I'm speechless. I'm done with the colors. Now I'm gonna go in with a little bit of black eyeliner. I'm not gonna go in too hard, just a little bit. I've been using the Maybelline Unstoppable eyeliner. This one I like because it's super, super creamy. It's really easy to apply. Lately, I've really been into the eyeliner where it's not super perfect eyeliner, super cat eye. I just want my eyes to pop, but not like super perfect. Do you guys get me? I think it makes sense, but I don't know. Just literally a little bit on the corners. Literally just a little bit to kind of like warm up the eye. And after that, I'm like, okay, I'm like trying to introduce like my next products, but I'm like looking at myself and I'm like, I love it so much. So the next product that I'm also very obsessed with, I say this in literally all of my videos, so if you guys have watched my other videos, you guys know what product I'm gonna talk about. But if not, this is my favorite mascara ever, the best mascara. And I've tried so many mascaras, and when I mean so many, I mean like literally like everything in the drugstore, everything at Sephora. I've tried everything. Nothing has compared to this mascara, and the good thing about it is that it's not even one of the most expensive ones. This is a telescopic carbon black. Crazy, because I always thought that if it was like a thin wand, it wouldn't do the job the same. I always wanted, or I always liked thick wands because I felt like it would just make your eyelashes more thick, but I was wrong. This one's amazing. So we're gonna, the trick here is always to look down. The more down you look, I feel like I've said this already like 50 times, but they've all been in my Spanish channel. Well, same channel, but my Spanish videos. The trick here is to look down. The more down you look, the more long your eyelashes get. So let's get started. Like, I love this mascara. That's just with one. Like, I can't. I've literally been using this mascara for maybe 4 years. I've still tried other ones and I'm like, nope. So that is with the mascara. I'm obsessed. Now, time for the under lashes. I am obsessed with this look. Like, I haven't been obsessed with the look in a very long time. I will tell you that. After, we're gonna go in with a bronzer. This is my favorite so far. This is the MAC Dark Mineralized Powder Bronzer. Just gives you like the perfect golden kiss look. Another bronzer I really do like is the Guy Para Mi, which is a Latina brand. And since I'm Latina, I like to support my Latina brands. But yeah, that's the other bronzer I really, really do like. You know, MAC is just the classic. Always in the nose. I'm like sweating already. Down the neck. The bronzer is on. Guys, I know I keep saying this, but literally I'm shook. I guess falling asleep. Okay, so for the lips, what do you guys think? Should I go hardcore, give myself a burgundy lip too? Not burgundy, but should I do nude? What are you guys in the mood for? I think today I'm gonna go in with just a nude lip to make my eyes just stand out, just be the bold statement of the day. So this is the NYX, and this is in color Nude 10. Super creamy too. So the trick here is we're gonna make our lips a little bit bigger, and not because it's trendy, but because I like them. To mark my cupid bow too much. I just kind of like make it round. I feel like it kind of gives you a fuller look. After, we're going to go in with the glossy highlighter. This is the color Quartz. Glossy highlighters for me are just my favorite highlighters just because they're so natural, they're creamy, they have vitamin E, so obviously it's good for the skin. Look at that. Yes, honey, glow. Does this makeup really remind me of like being in LA or something? I'm missing home. Look at that. So natural, so beautiful. Obviously, after, we're gonna spray. We're gonna let that makeup sink in and just feel flawless for the rest of the day. I really like this makeup. I feel like I can create a lot of makeup looks with this one palette. Kylie Jenner, you did a great job, girl. Congratulations. Today I only used Beach, Penny, and Burgundy. Only 3, and there's 9 colors. So I feel like you can really do a lot with this palette just because the colors can go from neutral to really making a statement. So thank you for watching my video and trying this Kylie Jenner Burgundy palette with me for the first time ever. You guys were the first to experience this with me, so I'm so excited and I'm so grateful. Thank you so much. And if you guys have tried this palette, please leave it down in the comments below. What palette is your favorite? Let's have a girl time chat in the comments. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for spending some quality time with me.